legs and strong bones too. Spinach is healthy in every stew. It's healthy in every stew. Eggplant, eggplant shiny and deep, low in calories, a vegetable leap. Purple and plump, it's fun to grill. Eggplant dishes are sure to thrill. Dishes are sure to thrill. Onion, onion layered and white, adds great flavor and quite a bite. Antioxidants to keep us well. In soups and stews, it casts a spell. It casts a spell. Zucchini, zucchini slender and green, a summer squash that's often seen. High in fiber and vitamin A, zucchini's good in every way. Every way. Artichoke, artichokes, spiky and old, heart healthy choice, as I am told. Peel the leaves and find the heart. Artichokes make a tasty start. Artichokes make a tasty start. Lettuce, lettuce crisp and light, full of water and minerals right. Perfect in salads or on a wrap. Lettuce is always a great snack. Always a great snack. Peas, small and green, packed with protein, they're a dream. Sweet and tender, so easy to munch. Peas are perfect in every lunch. Asparagus, asparagus, tall and lean, loaded with nutrients and always clean. Delicious when grilled or steamed with care. Asparagus with you, there's nothing to compare.